Are you looking for a way to spruce up your space? Meet the HomeBuddy wooden hanging shelves. This charming two-shelf set will help you turn any area into a work of art. Create additional style in seconds without splurging or dealing with the stress of DIY. Effortlessly create a hanging plant shelf in the living room or on a terrace, dress up an empty hallway, or display toiletries in the bathroom. Made of sustainable, natural bamboo and fiber ropes, these contemporary hanging shelves have a beautiful texture and are lightweight. The set comes assembled as two separate rope shelves but can easily be recombined into a one-piece stacked shelf in mere minutes. The HomeBuddy hanging shelves will arrive put together with easy-to-install hooks and wall anchors as well as simple step-by-step instructions. Customize the hang of each shelf by hanging them with the rope or with the included hanging rings. No matter how you decide to set up your HomeBuddy hanging wooden shelf, it is sure to be a stylish, functional addition to any interior. The options are endless. Create your dream space. HomeBuddy, living with inspiration.